Your customers depend on you, the automotive service professional, to help them take care of their cars. But I'm willing to bet that even you miss a few items from time to time. What are the most commonly overlooked inspection items? Well, stick around, I'll share my top 3 in today's Mighty Minute. Let's start with number 1 on the list, tires. A simple walk around just isn't good enough. A severely underinflated tire will look the same as a tire that's inflated properly, and you just can't adequately check for wear and tear or damage while the vehicle's sitting on the ground. Check the tire pressures using an accurate gauge, and remember that tires need at least an hour to cool down in order to get a correct measurement. Yeah, I know, it's a waiter oil change, and the car owner isn't going to wait around for an hour for the tires to cool down. What I try to look for is any tire that doesn't fit in with the rest, one that's lower in air pressure than the rest. That's one reason that I like to also spin the tires through by hand. Sure, it's looking at the wear and tread depth, that's important, but it's looking for that potential problem. You know, that small nail that's not causing a problem today, but if left unattended, it's going to leave your customer stranded on the side of the highway. Number 2 on the list is something that you likely witness every day on your commute to and from work, and that's vehicles with missing brake lights. Now, checking turn signals and taillights is easy enough. You can do that by yourself, but to check the brake lights, either somebody or something has to hold down the pedal. And 3rd on the list is an item that your customer knows isn't working when he needs it, but tends to forget about it when he doesn't: the wiper blades. The easiest way to ensure that you always perform this check is to try them out as you bring the vehicle into the shop. Use the washer function and pay attention to the wiper operation. Do the wiper blades skip or chatter as they cross the windshield? Are they leaving sections of the glass untouched, or are they streaking? Next, visually inspect the blades for obvious damage. Pay attention to the wiper blade's point of contact. Is it rounded or obviously worn? Now, for my northern viewers, make sure you advise your customers to use their windshield scraper rather than their wiper blades to remove the ice and snow. And regardless of conditions, even normal use, you should be recommending replacement of the wiper blades every 6 months. And of course, don't forget that rear wiper blade if the vehicle is so equipped. So remember, whenever your customer comes in for service, show them a little TLC and check the TLW: tires, lights, and wipers. Your customer will appreciate your attention to detail. Thanks for watching.